Hello guys, in this video we will review the sequence layer. First of all, I want to show you how the sequence program works. As we saw in previous video, one of the properties of the wrapper is a state. In sequence function that we will see in continuum, for example in step init D, I assigned value 2 to the P state by using a pointer. In the wrapper in map method, this P state is assigned to the cylinder pp input.state, and in the map method of the cylinder pp it is assigned to actuate pp.pstate, and then it is used by mAutoOn method in case function. So this is the mechanism that the pick and place cylinder state changed by sequence function. I wrote sequence layer by SFC or Sequential Function Chart. Here I created a function block and we have to define an input variable as pointer to the wrapper. First step is the start, and whenever you reset the sequence it starts from here. I just put a delay to go to init U, that is the opposition of pick and place cylinder. By trans 0 it goes to init D that commands cylinder to go down. For defining a transition, right click on the sequence function block, add object and create transition. Let's see the trans 0 that I have already created. The grab command should be false and property lead ready should be true. It means that for going down to take a new part, the cylinder didn't pick any part before and the new lead part is ready to pick. When it comes to init D, it assigns value 2 to the state property. If you remember, in cylinder pp class we defined an AutoOn method, and it contains a case command that based on P state it works. For example, if P state is equal to 2, just P move Z is true, and it means that the cylinder should go down. So as a review, the logic is that if the wrapper is in auto mode, it calls the instantiated sequence that it is sec that assigns the P state. Wrapper automode method also calls the cylinder ppm mAutoOn that decides based on P state how to behave. When cylinder pp input detected signal is true, sequence goes to grab step that assigns value 3 to P state and makes pgrab true in cylinder ppm AutoOn. When grab is done and detected signal is true, the cylinder goes back to the up position and makes P state equal to 4, and when it completely returns, sequence goes to init U. The main difference between trans 0 and trans 1 is grab status, and if it's true, the sequence goes to the right branch and goes to position X forward, that makes P state equal to 5. Transition 2 depends on property base ready, and when it comes true, cylinder goes down and after that release the lead onto the base. Then the cylinder moves up in Z direction and goes back in X direction to achieve to initial position. In this step, I set the property assemble done because in wrapper auto mode we need to know when the assemble is done to send command to lifter and turn on the conveyor tree to deliver assembled objects. This was the whole sequence. Moreover, I defined a method that gives the possibility to reset the sequence through the wrapper. When SFC reset is true, it resets all steps and actions, and the initial step is activated. I didn't use it in this program, but if you want, you can define a reset button, and by pressing it, the sequence goes to the initial step. Another thing that you have to add is fp init, and for creating it, add a function block and put the name fp underline init and instantiate a pointer to the wrapper, and then assign it to the pointer that you will use in the sequence function block. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I will talk about the next layer, the main POU, and that will be the last part of this project.